Today we are making tzatziki sauce.
Tzatziki sauce by far is one of the easiest and most simple things you can make. All you really need is some Greek yogurt, some garlic, and a cucumber, of course. For this recipe, all you really need is half a cucumber. So just toss the other half to the side and use it later for a Greek salad. So we start by cutting one cucumber in half. Next, what we want to do is peel our cucumber and get all the skins off of it. So next, what we want to do is smash the like button. No, I'm just joking with y'all. But seriously, go smash the like button. It helps greatly with our channel. Seriously though, what you want to do next is grate your cucumber. Or you can cut it into small little cubes if you want to do that also. You feel free to use a grater, any kind of grater, cheese grater. It does not really matter, as long as you're grating your cucumber. So what we want to do next, get yourself an empty bowl, some paper towels. As you can see, Nicholas, zoom in. It's pretty watery, the cucumber. So what you want to do is drain the wateriness out of the cucumber over the paper towels. Be sure to squeeze the paper towel. Now we begin making the tzatziki sauce. About 2 scoops of yogurt. 1, 2. A little bit of garlic. As always, exact measurements are in the description below. Your cucumber. About a tablespoon of olive oil. Some salt and pepper to taste. And we mix. Once you're done mixing, go ahead and try the tzatziki sauce to see if it needs any more salt or pepper. This is really good. Really good. You gotta try this. You gotta make this. It's so good. Just a side tangent here. If you're having guests over, like most Greek people do, put it into a nice little container like this one. Garnish with parsley. And enjoy. As always, if Karisto, thank you for tuning in today. New episodes every Monday. Be sure to turn on post notifications. Remember to like, smash that like button, subscribe. And since you're already here, you might as well comment down below what we should make next. Thank you. See you all next week. Yasu.